Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Netflix and the way the chart has moved and the way the business has moved in the recent times is phenomenal. And if you can see, it's not only about a country specific trend or a company or a product, but it's become an universal platform. And the kind of products they are offering for entertainment is just a widespread variety. So looking at the current trend and how the trend has shifted from our conventional entertainment platform to new OTT platforms and the kind of players we have right now, it's like it's not about how many people can enter into the competition, but how many people have the capacity to renovate themselves and sustain in the current market, and Netflix is one of those companies, right? So if you look at the trend is simply, so you can see here the way the trend has shifted and the way the chart has moved. So this is how we can say that the chart has shaped up in the recent years. And if you have, let's say, invested in 2002, so the stock has already given you 139,000%, or you can say 1,39,579%. So it's just phenomenal how the way the stock has moved. It's like your $1 become $139,000. Okay, so it has given a very good return for a buck, but you have to look further now. Now we have to see how the trend has shaped up in the recent past, but now we have to analyze how it will be in the time to come. And if you look at the trend, so you can see there are 2-3 patterns which are shaping up. So first we will talk about the big pattern or the large pattern, okay, and then we will come at the smaller one. So if you look at this trend, what you can see here is that the stock is at its resistance level of 537. Okay, so for the time being I have just excluded this thing. Why? Because it looks like a false or breakout and the stock moved inside the channel. Now it's again trying to break out, but you can see, like last time, it may works as a resistance at 503, and once it crosses 503, 503, the next next big resistance will come at around here, 851. So unless the stock stay above and sustain above 851 or 852, we can't say that a new trend has been started. So till 852, it's like the stock is near to its long-term resistance. Okay, so that you have to take care. Now just look at the trend and the way the current trend in the past 4-5 years that has shaped up, because the kind of rally we have in the past 17-18 years is like over the top rally, and it's not like the stock is going to fall down, but every stock need to take some rest. We don't know what will happen, when will it happen, but we do know that every stock has its own pattern, and it is not related completely with the business cycle. It is completely related with the stock market cycle, right? So you have to look at it. And one more thing, if you focus on this area, okay, so if you focus on this area where we are saying that a chart pattern has shaped up and it is showing, if it crosses and sustain above 851, then there is a target of 1259, 1260 which is waiting. So it may goes toward 8 1259 or 1260, but understand one thing: above 503 where the current support lies, there is a trend break, there is a trend outbreak on the upside, but we have another what we can say a big resistance, but it is not clear that, because it's just a bounce on the upside and again it falls down, so it looks like a false breakout. So we don't know whether we can use this term breakout for this false up move. But what we can say here is that if it reaches and stays above 503, because there is a chart movement, so we have to consider that point, then the next support level will be at around 851 resistance level, and beyond that it's 1250 or 1260. And for support levels you have to look at this one, 339. 339 is a pretty important support level, because if it does not hold at or near 339, it may again goes down to its lower end of the range where the big support lies, which is at 58. So I'm not saying it's going to go to that point, but you have to keep things for both the side. That's what I'm trying to say. But overall it's a big back bunk, big buck for the price, and the way the chart has shaped up is very strong, but you need to understand that stock may rest, may consolidate, may correct a bit and spend some time in a certain limit, in a certain way, or in a certain time zone. So that we don't know yet. What we do know is our support and resistance level, which is 339. If you look at this, what we can see here is a 339 on the downside and 1259 1260 on the upside. So you need to look at the support and resistance level very carefully, and if any activity happens beyond these levels, either on the upside or the downside, the next move should follow accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share your contents in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.